Hi, it's Sabrina. Join me with a lineup of incredible experts as we inspire you.
It's you transcending
to redesign your life. I love this, one small change at a time. This is the Sabrina Soto Show. Come on in. Matthew, I'm so happy you're here.
I cannot actually believe I'm here. You know I'm obsessed with you. So like this, when this invitation came, I was like,
I know that you have a new show, Fame to Table, so tell me about it.
I am so excited about Fame to Table. I have been so fascinated with talented people and how they get to where they are. So in Fame to Table, I am literally peeling back the apron to talk to famous chefs about their culinary journey. And because I'm no fool, they will be cooking me the dish that made them famous.
I love that. Well, that's why I'm doing this sort of DIY with you. Potpourri, I feel like it needs a comeback. So I thought we'd make like a modern potpourri, something a little bit more, I don't know, elevated.
I love that. So in the spirit of Fame to Table, I want to dish on how you got to where you are, because you know I'm like a super fan of yours, but like I know that growing up, you organized your magazines, your National Geographics, to give you like some sort of, you know, semblance of control and make things like nice. And I just love that you used that and have built this career and of staging and like on the backbone of that. I think that's so wild.
But what really came, and I don't think I've ever told this publicly, so we grew up pretty comfortably, and then we went from being middle class to being so financially strapped that I would sleep on the floor of my parents' bathroom because it was the only heat in the house. My mom used to wake up early to open up the oven so we could have cereal next to the oven because it was the only warm place in the house. During that whole really hard time of our lives, my mom always said, you should still be proud of your home. I still want you to invite your friends over and be proud of the home no matter how poor we are. You could still be organized and clean and feel like it's your secure place, it's your safe place. And that's where my passion came, to teach people how you can live and redesign your life. And it's not about money.
Yeah.
It's not about money. It's about being proud of your home. It's, you know, we're all living really stressful lives, and at the end of the day, we all need to come home to a place that invites us in. And I believe that homes have energy, and we need to also hug them as much as they hug us. I really do want to inspire people to tell their stories in their homes.
Love that.
You should walk into a house and be able to tell what that person's about. And I think that we all want to be part of a community, and we don't want to be judged. And so because of that, I think a lot of people dilute their homes because they're too afraid of being judged because of them.
Making choices, right? Like big choices, big
but I'm like, do it. Just do it. What makes you happy? If you want a pink room, have a pink room.
Oh, I have a mural of myself on the ceiling. So let's just be, I'm kidding, no.
Okay, I was like,
terrified. Did you see it? She's like, I bet he does.
I mean, good for you. So we have dried oranges,
Yes.
cinnamon,
Yes.
star anise, and some rosemary, which will dry after a time, and a little bit of essential oil. It could be any essential oil you want.
I have one question for you. I heard, and tell me if this is true or not, that that you are like big on mantras, correct?
Yes. I mean, I have a lot of mantras. I feel like it changes with my life.
Yeah.
So I feel right now I'm in the age of self-worth.
You wake up every day, you do your mantra, and at the time it was, universe, show me how good
it can get. Show me how
I
good
had
it can get.
goosebumps. Like I was like, oh my, because I love the abundance of that, and I love the like wonder, right? Like people are so afraid of the future, and I love that yours is like,
because you never
surprise
know.
me.
I feel like life can be happy, and of course we can go through stress, but like thank you first and foremost for all of the things that are about to happen, and show me how good it can get, because I don't know. I love this because it's really fun. It's decor.
Yeah.
It's like a twofer.
Yes.
You know, it's decor and it's fragrance for your house to really like set the tone.
Functional fragrance, dare we say?
Yes, I love that. You just coined that.
An alliteration point, take it,
It's
go.
great when you're hosting, but it's also nice if you even want to put little cellophane bags and have it for people to go after a party, like a little to-go gift.
I love that.
So you could take that home.
I can take it home?
Yes, you could even keep the dish.
Christmas! I can keep the dish? Finally! Throw out the plastic! I'm thrilled. This is the only good china I have. What a dream.
You're welcome.
Okay, so I got you a little something.
Oh, it's an actual gift.
It's an actual gift.
I didn't even see you walk in with this. May I?
Because you were distracted by my muscles. Yes.
Okay. Yeah, that's it.
So that's the
Home sweet home.
And then when you flip it,
Stop it. Stop it.
So that's my modern take on an on-air sign for your house. I actually win, quite frankly. You can keep the pillow. Can I take yours home too?
Yes, I feel like it was an even exchange.
I get 2 bowls. I'm also like, I'm sitting here like, I'm obsessed with your house.
Can I show you some of the stuff?
Yes.
Come on, come on. I wanted to show you my bookshelves because they tell a story of my life, but I feel like people have a problem like figuring out how to set up vignettes in bookshelves.
Yeah.
These are color coded and I have like collected them, but you know you could buy books by the yard online.
Seriously?
Yes, you could buy books by a color by the yard. And so if you want to have this look, it's kind of easy to replicate.
I love that.
But so my parents were both from Cuba. I'm
Yeah.
first generation American. That piece was given, there was a man in Cuba who was homeless, but he used to give roses to all of the ladies on the street. And so a friend of my grandmother's made that paper mache.
I love that, like just local legend, right?
Yes.
Oh, that is so cool.
This piece I picked up, there was like a guy painting on the side of the road. I was driving and saw him, one of his pieces he had, stop the car and pick this up in DC.
Music from the porch to the stage. Oh, that's awesome.
And then it's just about collecting. Like I got these in Mexico City.
That's so cool.
This is kind of my life in the last 20 years.
That is.
That's my daughter sonogram picture.
Do you mind if I?
Of course.
This is what I look like after I apply 2 Paris filters on my Instagram. This. I'm like that young. That's the goal. That's the goal.
But really, it's like, and this changes all the time, and that's the thing about decorating. It's like, play around, move things around your house, and actually, when you move things around the house, whether it be furniture, accessories, you move the energy.
I love that your house, you know, everything is so bright, and
love
like
color.
you're so bright, and like I feel like that personality, color, decor, like everything just pops.
The takeaway here is when you're designing shelves and things, you want things in a vignette. You want them in odd numbers. 3, 5,
Odd
7,
numbers.
always odd numbers, you know?
What a freak, you're
Yes,
right.
and play with different heights. So do you see?
Yes.
Different shapes. So, but again, it's not about perfection.
Yeah.
It's about telling your story.
I love that.
All right, get out.
Okay, can I steal something on the way out? Don't look.
No,
Close
I
your
already
eyes.
gave you something. I already gave you
Fine,
something.
but there's a vase in that room that I really had my eye